Lag ruining your matches? In 2025, a VPN can actually help you get lower ping in games. Here's how it works. Step 1, choose a fast VPN. Speed matters, so go for a provider with lots of servers and solid performance. Step 2, download and install the VPN on your device. It only takes a minute. Step 3, connect to a server that's close to your game server or in a country with strong internet infrastructure. The closer the route, the lower your ping. Why does this help? Sometimes your internet provider slows down gaming traffic or sends it through poor routing paths. A VPN reroutes your connection, bypassing throttling and avoiding congested routes. That means smoother gameplay and faster response times. Just keep in mind, a VPN won't fix truly slow internet. But if your high ping is caused by throttling, bad routing, or overloaded servers, it can make a real difference. So next time lag hits you, try gaming with a VPN. You might be surprised how much smoother it feels.